There's a guy in every neighborhood. His car's 3 years old but looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Paint that still pops, windows that are perfectly clear, interior that smells clean and looks untouched. He's not taking it to a detailer every week. He's not spending hundreds of dollars a month on car care. He just knows which products actually work. And today, so will you. The car care aisle is overwhelming on purpose. Dozens of products, aggressive marketing, inflated claims on every single bottle. Most of it is noise, but buried inside that noise are genuinely excellent products that cost almost nothing and deliver results that rival professional detailing. I've cut through all of it, and what you're about to get is the tightest, most effective, affordable car care lineup you can put together, covering every inch of your vehicle inside and out. Let's go product by product. Exterior wash. Everything starts with the wash, and the single biggest mistake people make is using dish soap. Dish soap is formulated to strip grease. It does that job beautifully on your dinner plates and catastrophically on your car, removing the protective wax layer, drying out rubber trim, and leaving paint vulnerable to UV damage and oxidation. Never use it, not even once. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Super Suds car wash soap sits around $10 to $14 for a bottle that makes dozens of washes. It's pH balanced, meaning it cleans effectively without stripping existing wax or sealant. It produces thick suds that lubricate the wash mitt across the paint surface, reducing the friction that causes those fine swirl marks that make paint look dull over time. Rinses completely clean with no residue. For the price, nothing touches it. Pair it with a Meguiar's microfiber wash mitt, around $10, and you have a wash setup that genuinely protects your paint instead of slowly degrading it every time you clean the car. Paint protection. Clean paint without protection is like washing your face and walking straight into a sandstorm. The protection step is what makes the results last. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, around $20, is one of the most consistently recommended products in this entire category, and the price point makes it almost unreasonably good value. It applies easily by hand with an applicator pad, hazes in about 60 seconds, and buffs off to a deep, glossy finish that water absolutely beads off of. One application lasts 2 to 3 months. It also contains paint cleaning polymers that remove light oxidation and minor surface imperfections as you apply it, so you're protecting and mildly correcting in the same step. If you want longer-lasting protection without paying for a professional ceramic coating, Chemical Guy's Hydro Slick Spray Coating runs about $20 to $25 and provides 6 to 9 months of protection per application. It goes on like a spray detailer and bonds to the paint surface at a molecular level. The water behavior after application, where droplets bead up and roll off carrying dirt with them, is genuinely impressive for a product at this price. One or the other, you don't need both. Pick based on how often you want to reapply. Wheels and tires. Dirty wheels drag down the entire appearance of a clean car. It's the visual equivalent of a great outfit with muddy shoes. Meguiar's Hot Rims All-Wheel Cleaner at around $10 sprays on, foams up around brake dust and road grime, and rinses off without scrubbing on most wheels. For heavily contaminated wheels, add a wheel brush. Chemical Guy's Torque Wheel Woolly at about $15, and the combination handles even neglected wheels effectively. For tires, Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel at around $12 is the product that makes tires look like they belong on a showroom car. It applies with a foam applicator in about 90 seconds per tire and produces a rich, dark, natural-looking finish, not the greasy, slick shine that cheaper tire products give you and that flings off onto your paint within a day of driving. Interior surfaces. Chemical Guy's Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer at around $10 to $12 handles dashboard, door panels, center console, and all hard interior surfaces in one product. It cleans and provides a light UV protection layer that prevents the fading and cracking that turns a nice interior into a tired-looking one over time. It leaves a matte finish rather than a greasy shine, which is exactly what a quality interior should look like. For seats and carpets, Trinova Fabric and Upholstery Cleaner at about $15 tackles stains, odors, and general grime on fabric surfaces without over-wetting the material. Spray, agitate lightly with a brush, blot with a microfiber. Repeat for stubborn stains. It works on floor mats too. Leather seats need two products, a cleaner and a conditioner. Leather Honey Leather Cleaner paired with Leather Honey Leather Conditioner, about $10 to $15 each, is a combination that leather care enthusiasts consistently recommend over products costing 3 to 4 times as much. The conditioner penetrates deeply, keeping leather supple and preventing the cracking that makes aged leather seats look neglected and feel uncomfortable. Glass. It's the most noticeable surface in the car when it's dirty, and somehow still the most overlooked in most people's cleaning routine. Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner at around $8 is the gold standard in this category. Streak-free on every application, safe on window tints, and effective on the film that builds up on the inside of windshields from off-gassing dashboard materials, that hazy, greasy layer that makes night driving harder than it should be. Use it with a dedicated glass microfiber towel, not the same cloth you used on the dashboard. Cross-contamination from interior dressing products is the #1 cause of streaky windows that cleaning seems to make worse. Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Detailer at around $12 is the product that belongs in your door pocket permanently. Between full washes, a few sprays onto a microfiber and a quick wipe removes dust, fingerprints, and light contamination from painted surfaces without water. It also adds a thin layer of protection with every use. Takes 4 minutes for the whole car. For black plastic trim that's faded to an ugly gray, Chemical Guy's VRP Vinyl, Rubber, and Plastic Shine at about $10 to $12 restores the deep black appearance in one wipe and lasts through multiple washes. This single product fixes one of the most common reasons a car looks older than it actually is. The entire lineup costs under $120 combined, and that supply lasts months. Most of these products require very small amounts per use, and the bottles go a long way. When you break it down, you're spending a few dollars every time you detail your car. That's not a cost, that's practically free. Professional detailing runs $150 to $500 per visit, and while there's nothing wrong with treating your car to a professional session once in a while, you shouldn't need one just to keep your car looking its best week to week. With these products, you get the same results at home in a couple of hours on your schedule, without booking an appointment, without tipping, without waiting. That's the real value here. Not just the money you save, but the standard you set. Because once you know how to do this right, once you have the right products in your garage and the right process in your hands, the bar goes up permanently. Your car tells a story about how you take care of things. With the right products and 20 minutes a week, that story looks very, very good every single time you pull out of the driveway.